Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instant hot water tankless units take about 15 seconds to bring water up to temperature, but you still have to wait for that hot water to arrive at your shower head or faucet, just as you do with a tank-type heater.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The primary disadvantage of on-demand or instant hot water heaters is the upfront cost. The smaller units that you often see won't produce enough hot water to serve most households. They'll only serve one faucet at a time, a problem if you want to shower while the dishwasher is running. 28 February 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tankless water heaters waste more water than tank-type water heaters. Typically, tankless water heaters take 10 to 20 seconds longer to get hot water to the fixtures. But you can turn it green. While you wait for the hot water to arrive, you are running water down the drain. 13 August 2018.
Take our lead.
One of the main reasons hot water takes a long time to reach the faucet is simply due to the distance between the water heater and the fixture. The further away a fixture is from the water heater, the longer it takes for the hot water to travel to it. 14 October 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.